Hello everyone, here we discuss about the attachments of the scapula. In the last video we have discussed the anatomical features and the site determination of this bone. Now we discuss about the attachments. Now this is the anterior surface, that is the costal surface of this bone. Here we have the attachment of the subscapularis muscle. So this is the attachment showing the origin of subscapularis muscle. Then on the posterior side we have the spinous process, which is dividing the posterior surface into supraspinous fossa and infraspinous fossa. So in the supraspinous fossa we have the origin of supraspinatus muscle, and from the infraspinous fossa we have the origin of infraspinatus muscle. Then we have the origin of deltoid, which arises from the lower border of the spinous process and the lateral border of the acromion process. So the acromial fibers which are arising from the acromion process of the deltoid, this muscle, these are the multipinnate fibers. Then we have the insertion of trapezius on the superior border of the spinous process. So here we have used the blue color for marking the insertion of trapezius muscle. Then we have the serratus anterior on the anterior surface. So this is marking the insertion of serratus anterior on the anterior surface along the medial border of the costal surface, that is the anterior surface. Then we have the origin of long head of biceps brachii from the supraglenoid tubercle. So this is the supraglenoid tubercle. Here we have the origin of the long head of biceps. Then we have origin of coracobrachialis muscle. So this is the tip of the coracoid process. Here we have marked the origin of coracobrachialis muscle. Then we have the insertion of pectoralis minor muscle. It is inserting on the superior surface of the coracoid process of the scapula. This is the insertion of pectoralis minor. Then we have on the infraglenoid tubercle, that is below the glenoid cavity, this is the infraglenoid tubercle. This marks the origin of long head of triceps brachii. So this is the origin of long head of triceps brachii. Then we have the attachments of the lateral border. On the lateral border we have marked the origin of teres minor muscle. So on the lateral border the upper 2/3 part is covered by the origin of teres minor muscle. Then from the lower 1/3 part, this marks the origin of teres major muscle. So this is the teres major muscle. The two parts, that is the attachment of the teres minor, it is interrupted by this artery. This is the circumflex scapular artery over here, which is interrupting the origin of this teres minor muscle. Then come to the medial border. This is the medial border. We have the insertion of levator scapulae in the upper 1/3 part up to the root of the spinous process. This is the insertion of levator scapulae. Then we have at the root of the spinous process, this is the insertion of rhomboid minor muscle. Then below that we have the insertion of rhomboid major. This is the rhomboid major muscle, which is inserted on the medial border between the root of the spine, that is this is the root of the spine, up to the inferior angle. So this is the insertion of rhomboid major. Then we have origin of inferior belly of omohyoid. This is the inferior belly of omohyoid. This is the origin of inferior belly of omohyoid. Then this is the glenoid cavity. The margins of this glenoid cavity is covered by the glenoid labrum. This glenoid labrum is a fibrocartilaginous rim-like structure which is for deepening the cavity for easy articulation of the head of humerus to form the shoulder joint. Then we have coracohumeral ligament. This is the attachment of coracohumeral ligament at the root of coracoid process of the scapula. Then we have the transverse ligament over this spinoglenoid notch. We have this transverse scapular ligament. Below this ligament, there is passage for suprascapular nerves and vessels. Then we have the attachment of coracoclavicular ligament at the root of the spine of the root of the coracoid process. This is the coracoclavicular ligament. So this completes the attachments of the scapula. Thank you for watching.